I condemn it. It's an act of cowardice. Matatapang lang yun kasi sila may mga baril at saka nakatali. Kaya ako wala akong bilib sa mga pumapatay na nakatali yung pinapatay. Hindi yun na matatapang.
So you support, sir, yung law ng government that we should not really give ransom to save this victim?
It's a national policy. It's an international policy also not to negotiate with terrorists. So paying ransom is an act of negotiating.
Considering yung sinasabi na Abu Sayyaf, yung ginawa nila na yon, mensahe for incoming President Duterte.
I've met and I've known Mayor Duterte since 1988. What I can say is, palagay ko, he believes in the saying that I believe in also, which is, run silent, run deep. This is only my personal opinion. Ang Philippine Army o Armed Forces of the Philippines, naghihintay lang yan ng pagkakataon. Naghihintay ng pagkakataon ng bigyan ng go signal.
Ng Chief Executive. So kulang go signal, hindi nila gagawin yun na
Walang
in-neutralize?
mananagot eh. Hindi sila sasagutin eh. Ba't sila gagawa ng kusa nila? Mahirap naman yun. Pero kung may may command, go all out. Iba yun.
Kasi may order.
May backup eh.